Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my first Ipsy box. So from my understanding, Ipsy and BoxyCharm are one now, if I'm understanding that right. So now BoxyCharm and Ipsy are like the same thing. So now instead of a BoxyCharm box, I'll be getting an Ipsy box every month. Almost said year. So yeah, I think that's what's happening. Like I said, I feel like I was always oblivious to the whole BoxyCharm thing because I always wanted it to be a surprise. So I'm a little bit more confused by this, but we'll see as the video goes on. So today's gonna be all about unboxing this. I haven't peeked yet, so we'll see what we got. But yeah, before we get into it, give this a thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, please, and thank you so much. Join the family. But if you want to see my Ipsy box unboxing, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, like I said, this is like a totally new concept to me. I'm like so confused at how or why or when or where this even happened. The only thing I do know was that I got an email from Ipsy a while back telling me to like pick, it was like 2 or 3 products. And it seemed like it was like telling me that I needed to pick, so I did, but I already forgot what they are, so I don't remember. But yeah, apparently I picked like 2 or 3 products coming in, and that's pretty much it. I'm like kind of confused by the concept of this. Like, I know BoxyCharm, like I was doing it as like a surprise every month to myself, so I didn't pick anything that would like go in the boxes. Like it would just randomly come to me at some point during the month and I would unbox it with you guys and see what I got. So I'm a little more confused by this. If you guys do Ipsy and you've been doing it and you understand it, can you just let me know, because I am a little bit confused. But we're gonna unbox it anyways because that's what we're here for. So super cute box. I love this shade of pink and it just says Ipsy. And then I love how like on the back and on the front, I guess, it says to you from you, which I think is super cute. So love that. I just opened the seal, so let's see what it looks like inside. What does that say? Discover yourself. Very cute. Okay, so we get like this big piece of paper here which says BoxyCharm by Ipsy. Okay, same great subscription you know and love, now with more perks than ever. So what does that mean? Whatever, we'll see. I'm hoping I got I didn't get a card in here. Oh, how am I supposed to know? So I think I'm gonna have to Google these products because usually BoxyCharm gives me like a card that says like what all the products inside are and what they do. Apparently Ipsy doesn't do that. So mistake number 1, Ipsy, give me a card and let me know what all the products are. Mistake number 2, this box is super flimsy. Like it's like kind of falling apart. I don't know if that's on purpose or on accident, but I don't know if I like that. Like, do you see this? It's like really like, I don't know. Anyways, so it like came with this like weird little like filling in here. I don't really care for that, if I'm being totally honest. I'm just gonna pull out whatever and I'm gonna like look it up for you guys and tell you about it. So we could just start with this. It is the YC Collection Eye Primer. Let me Google this. All right, I just looked it up. It's the YC Collection Eye Primer, which is funny because I used this brush for the first time today and it's also from YC and I loved this sponge. So we're off to a good start. So it says a silky smooth matte finish eyeshadow primer that intensifies color, evens out tone, eliminates discoloration, and keeps shadows from creasing. This nude creamy eye primer dries invisible and is perfect for removing any surface imperfections. The vegan and cruelty-free formula preps the lids for all-day wear and helps keep it transfer, sweat, and humidity resistant. Lasts up to 24 hours, and this is $23 from what I'm seeing online. So let's open her up. I love this shade of green a lot. I'm like really into green lately, so love that. Here's what it looks like on the back of my hand. Let me see what this feels like. It's the consistency is so interesting. It like feels thick when you first touch it, but when you start to spread it out, it really thins out and it feels super lightweight. It's definitely matte, but it doesn't look dry. Like it looks like hydrating on the back of my hand, but it's not like glowy. It dries down matte, but it's not dry or like gross. It has a tiny bit of like a tackiness to it, which I really love for primers because I feel like that really like helps the makeup like grip onto your face, if that makes sense. So I really like that. I'm actually super excited about this because I'm always on the lookout for new primers like this. So yay, I'm excited to play with that. Next up, we have from Formula Z, it's the UNISEXY setting spray. Let me look this up for you guys. Okay, Formula Z, this is the first time I'm hearing about this brand. It's the UNISEXY Skin Mist. So it's like a setting spray. It goes for $26. Is that pricey for a setting spray? I feel like maybe standard pricing for a setting spray? I don't know. It says set it and forget it. Instantly blur pores and replenish skin hydration levels with our UNISEXY Skin Mist, supercharged with hyaluronic Z technology, brightening niacinamide and radiant quartz. Cool, refresh, set, tone, and hydrate skin in an instant. Mist on the face for a midday pick-me-up and to ease dryness or irritation. Hyaluronic Z technology, niacinamide, quartz. Apply after makeup application to set the face or during the day as a makeup refresher. It's 2.7 ounces, so there's a lot of product in there. And let me see what this looks like outside of the box and what it feels like. I was literally just thinking about how I wanted to get a new setting spray, so I swear to God, Ipsy, you are like reading my mind. So let me just like, good, it doesn't smell like anything. Let me spray my face with this. I want to see what it feels like. That felt so good. Oh my God, I like don't want to stop spraying my face with it. I am wet. That like, oh my goodness. It definitely like a lot of spray comes out of that. So I feel like a little is gonna go a long way with this stuff, but the mist is so fine, which I wasn't expecting because usually these kind of sprayers will like spit chunks of liquid out at you and it kind of ruins your makeup in certain spots when that happens. So I was like fully expecting this to be that and it wasn't. Like the mist is so fine. It like covers so much surface area and it feels really good. It doesn't smell like anything. I feel like my makeup looks really good. It feels really good. Obviously I can't tell you like if it's keeping my makeup in place because this is just like a first impression, but so far I'm really impressed with what I'm seeing. So I'm gonna keep using this and I'm gonna keep you guys posted on how I like it. So stay tuned for that one. Next up we have, what is this? CIATE London and SMILEY. It's a lip mask. It's a 2-in-1 everyday lip balm and mask. So let me look this one up for you guys. So this goes for $18 on the CIATE London website. Sorry, it's the CIATE London X SMILEY lip mask. It's a nourishing lip mask. It says CIATE London X SMILEY lip mask doubles up as a 2-in-1 nourishing overnight mask and an everyday balm. This hard-working mask will give your lips some TLC while you sleep or a hit of hydration throughout the day. It's vegan, hydrating, and nourishing. And then it just says apply a generous layer directly to the lips for nourishing moisture and shine, which I swear to God, I put lip balm on every night before I go to sleep and I'm running low on it. So I swear I'm not making this up. I was just thinking about how I need to get another one because I love how that one feels on my lips. So maybe this will replace that. But I need it. Like my lips have been super dry lately despite constantly putting lip balm on. So this could not have come to me at a better time. So I'm just taking like with the back of my nail. I don't want to put it on my lips because I have lip product on. Wow. Oh my God, look how shiny that is. That's beautiful. I love that. Super shiny and it's thick. Like it almost feels like an oil, but not as like sticky and gross feeling. Like this is like, it's a very unique feeling. It Smells lemony, which I'm obsessed with. Like, I love lemon anything. It just looks so pretty, and I have a feeling this is going to be very like hydrating and nourishing, so I'm super excited. I'm going to start using this like every night before bed, and I'll keep you guys posted on what it's doing for me. It's 0.31 ounces, so a good amount of product. I'm excited, and this packaging is adorable. I feel like you see a smiley face like this and it instantly like makes you smile. So I love this idea. I love it. So yeah, very exciting. Next up, we have Origins. Oh my god, yes. It's the GINZING Into the Glow Brightening Serum. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my god, I love Origins. Hold on, I'm gonna look this up. So I just pulled this up on Ulta. It's the GINZING Into the Glow Brightening Serum. So it goes for $46, which is definitely not cheap. It's 1 ounce, so the standard size for a serum. It says, Origins GINZING Into the Glow Brightening Serum visibly brightens dull skin. Infused with vitamin C and 5% retexturizing complex, it noticeably smooths skin and reduces the look of pores over time. Details say, helps support skin's natural enzymatic action to boost cell turnover for smoother skin texture and less visible pores. This fast-acting formula visibly brightens dull-looking skin in one use. With Origins carefully calibrated serum, the radiance is real. Skin types recommended for normal and combination. I have like normal skin, so that's fine. 5% retexturizing complex, which is a green coffee seed and AHA/BHA blend, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. And then how to use, it says apply AM and PM on clean skin. So that sounds really, really beautiful. If I didn't already say it's vegan, it's vegan. So let me take this out of the packaging. I'm so freaking excited for this, you guys. Look at how adorable this is. And I like that you can't see through the glass, because I feel like that kind of messes with vitamin C serums when they do like a clear glass. So it's not clear. Let me like swatch some of this on the back of my hand. That feels really good. Oh my god. It feels like really lightweight. It kind of feels a little cooling. Oh, it smells like heaven. Like it literally smells like orange juice. Oh, I am so excited to use that. Full disclosure, I don't think I'm gonna be able to use this for a little bit because I didn't tell you guys yet. I'll get more into this in another video, but I am having a septorhinoplasty done, aka a nose job, in less than a month. So it's happening in May, middle of May, and one of the instructions before going in, like the few weeks leading up to it, it says not to use any vitamin C serums. So I'm not going to be able to use this for that reason. I know you probably have questions. I'll get into it in another video, I promise, and I'm going to obviously film my experience with that. But yeah, I probably won't be able to use this for a little bit, but as soon as I try it, I'll keep you guys posted on it and how I like it and what it's doing. So super excited about that one. And then last but not least, we have from Saturday Skin. It's the Carrot and Niacinamide Moisturizing Cream. So this is 1.69 ounces. That is huge. It says, this ultra moisturizing cream is packed with superfood extracts from carrots, combined with ceramides and lipids that help to protect your skin's appearance from drying environmental stressors. 3 potent extracts from the carrot combined with niacinamide improves the look of skin's tone and texture. Centella asiatica extract assists with the appearance of healthier looking skin overall. And then it just says place into the palm of your hands using all 4 fingers, apply into an outward circular motion. Doesn't say how often to use it. And this one goes for $45. Also not cheap. I feel like this box was really, really good with like giving products that are not inexpensive. Like I feel like all of these were kind of a little more up there in price. So this is very, very exciting. Let me open this last product so we can see what we're working with. First of all, packaging, A+, it's adorable. And I love that this is also not clear glass. It's like, it's not clear. This one doesn't smell like anything, which I feel like I prefer over even a good smell, because sometimes people are sensitive to smells. So it's like a white cream, but when you blend it in, of course, it becomes clear. This is a little bit on the thicker side, I do want to say, but it feels really, really freaking good. I'm obsessed. Wow, okay. This I am gonna use tonight, like starting tonight, because my fiance and I needed a new moisturizer, so this literally came at the perfect time. I swear to God, BoxyCharm or Ipsy, whichever, is listening in on my life, because all of these products came to me at the perfect time that I needed them, except for the vitamin C, but I'm still very happy I got it. So yeah, all very exciting products, all things that I'll keep you posted on with time. So first, Ipsy box is a huge success. I'm super happy and I'm super excited to continue using these. So that's all I've got for you guys. I think that's all the products. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you like what I got. Let me know if you got the same things in your boxes. Let me know if you've tried any of these. Give me some ideas for videos that you guys want to see. Give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.